And now we're going to apply the actions that we created in the last movie in the onSoundComplete event handler to our next and our back buttons. So scroll all the way down to the bottom. After end play sound, press enter a few times. Create a single line comment and type button actions. Copy that line. Press enter a few times. Paste it. Before button, type the word end. Get in the middle of those two comments, press enter a few times to get some space. I need to refer to the next button, so I'm going to press the insert target path button. The plus sign by MC_MP3. It's called MC_next. And I'm going to click absolute. I'm going to type dot on release space equals space function open and close parenthesis colon void. Enter a few times to go down a line. Open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter again. Now within these brackets, all I have to do is the same thing that happens when the sound completes. So I'm going to scroll all the way up to the onSoundComplete event handler. I'm going to copy everything from the end of the play sound statement all the way up to the beginning of the if statement. So basically everything within the brackets of the onSoundComplete event handler. I'm going to copy that by pressing Ctrl or Command C. Scroll back down to the bottom and get within the brackets. And press Ctrl V to paste that same code. One thing I'm going to add onto it is right above play sound, right after the end of the else statement, I'm going to press enter. I'm going to type stop sound. Open and close parenthesis, semicolon. So after the variable changes, you have to stop the sound and then reset it so everything works properly. So you got to stop the sound and then play it. So I'm going to copy all of that code. Go to the end bracket or the close bracket of this event handler. Press enter a few times. I'm going to paste that code. Now I'm going to apply this to the back button. So I need to change MC_next to MC_back. Rest of this line is okay. What I'm going to do here is just swap out this and this 0. So I'm going to select from the inner close parenthesis right here all the way to the open parenthesis that's holding the mylv.totaltracks variable. I'm going to press Ctrl X to cut it. I'm going to type 0 instead. So it's saying if the current track is equal to and only equal to 0, then the current track equals the last track when you press the back button. So I'm going to highlight 0 there and then press Ctrl V to paste that code. And if it's not at the first track when you press the back button, when you press it, it's just going to go back one. And so instead of plus plus, we're just going to say minus minus. Again, this works the same way as we were doing the slides earlier. So now test the movie and see what you got. So I can skip around. Everything updates. If I press the back button, it goes back just fine. And there you have it. That's how you make your buttons work.